Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Valentine's Day cookies. I'm sick, so let's just ignore the fact that I sound like I smoke 8 packs of cigarettes a day, and let's just get right into it. So in order to make these cookies, you'll need 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 13 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, a bunch of white chocolate chips, and a bunch of Valentine's Day Smarties, and M&Ms if you're American. So you start by preheating the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think I ever told you what to preheat the oven to in any of my tutorials, so I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to start doing it. Now, in a medium bowl, you're going to take your flour and your baking soda and you're just going to whisk them together. In another bowl, you're going to mix in your butter, your sugar, your salt, and your vanilla extract. Then you're going to put it into your mixer and beat it on medium speed for 2 minutes. Next, pour in your eggs. Now add the flour mixture. That's amazing. Now take your white chocolate chips and just sprinkle in as many as you want. Now you take your Smarties / M&Ms and pour some of those in. Now you have the cutest dough ever. Now just scrape off the excess dough and just make sure everything is in the bowl. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a baking sheet and you're going to line it with parchment paper. Now, you're going to put the cookies on the baking sheet. I don't want to make huge cookies, so I'm just going to cut them into like little pieces, like that. Okay, now that you have your cookies set up, you're going to take a few more of these Smarties and just going to like put them on the top to make them look cuter. Now you're going to put it in the oven for 8 minutes. While the cookies are still warm, I'm going to put some more Smarties into them to make them look prettier. Okay, so these are the cookies, final product. Now I'm going to see how they taste. How do I do this? This is amazing. 10 out of 10. Okay, well, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Bye!